My beautiful creators. How are you? It's Joy again from the Joy Art Club. Thank you for taking the time out to hang out with me for a little bit. I want to show you today how to make something really quick and simple and easy for your social media pages. You can use this for business or for personal. Have you ever gone onto YouTube or not YouTube, I'm sorry, Facebook or Instagram, even YouTube, and seen beautiful posts that are really affirming and say really positive things? Well, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So we're going to head over to canva.com. And as you know, I have the pro version. So we are going to click on custom size, and we're going to make the size a 1080 by 1080. And I should have said, make sure that you select the units first. So in this case, it's already selected on pixels. So we want our pixel size to be 1080 by 1080. It's a perfect square. And actually, you can make it any perfect square size. 1080 is just the most popular size that we use. So let's click on Create New Design. And as Canva is loading all of the elements and things on the side, you will see that you have a perfect square. This white page right here, you have a perfect square. Now, you can do this two ways, but I like to start with a template if you want to do something really quick. And so since this is the fall, I'm going to look for something that is kind of fall style. And we are on templates at the top on the left, as you can see. So I'm just going to click on this. This is an actual video. So you can do videos as well, animated videos. But let's find something that's not animated for now. I'm going to type in fall, and you see all of these nice designs come up. So you can do whatever you like. So let's click on this one, and it pops right over to the workspace. And now this is where the magic begins. So I am going to just kind of move this up a little bit, this welcome and the September. And instead of September, I'm going to type in the word fall. I like this font. The font is called Breathing. So let's type in fall. Move this up. And now what I want to do, I want to find a cute picture to put on here, something happy, maybe a cute lady. So, or a couple or children or whatever suits your fancy. So now with Canva, you can do this a few different ways. You can click on elements and you can type in woman. Let's see what comes up. We want to see all the graphics. So this is cute. I want something that has a kind of a brown or orange look or color. So I'm going to maybe choose her, and I'm going to make this larger by grabbing the corner of the design or of the image and pulling it up to make it a little bit larger. This word fall, you see the text box is pretty wide. So I'm going to shorten this text box a little bit so it gives me room to work with the design, with the image a little more. So now I'm clicking back on the word fall. I'm going to increase the font size of this. Okay, I like that. I want to move this over a little bit, and I'm going to make this a bit smaller. And I think I'm going to make it a little darker so that it pops a little more. I'm going to grab these and pull them down. And instead of welcome, I think I'll say, I've been waiting on you, fall. And pull these elements down a little bit. I'm going to take the edge of the text box and move it in a little bit. I'm going to make this font a little more bold. So I'm clicking on my font box and let's see what we can make it as. So I chose the font Dream Big, and this is an uploaded font. I got this from Creative Fabrica, I believe. I think that's where I get all of my fonts. So I am now going to make this a bit larger. And by the way, I think now on Canva, when you upload fonts, I think you have to have the pro version in order to upload fonts. It used to not be that way, but now I think you have to have the pro version to do that. Okay, and now we are going to change this color from black to a color that matches. And if you once you click on the text color box, if you look to the left, if you scroll down, if an image is on Canva or on your workspace, Canva automatically pulls in the photo colors of that image or those images. So we're going to make this, let's see, orange. I like the dark. Okay, and then we're going to go over to effects and I'm going to see what it does if I outline. I don't like outline so much. Maybe shadow. So I chose the shadow. And now I'm going to make the shadow maybe a gold. And I'm going to make it where you can see it a little more. And I blurred it just a little bit. And I'm changing the direction of it. Okay, so I think I've got what I want. I like this because it looks like her eyes are closed and she's like so thankful. Okay, so now I'm going to pull this over right here and I'm going to make this bigger. And I am going to delete this text. Don't need that one. And if you click on this element, you see up here, it has a color. So that's great because if we duplicate this, we can make them in different colors. So I'm going to change the color of that one. And I think maybe I'll do one more. I'll put this here, make it a little brighter. And I'm going to go to position and I'm going to put to the back. So this is kind of behind the word fall. Now, those of you who have been with me for a little while, you know what I'm getting ready to do, right? Let's not even play. You know I love my gold, so I'm getting ready to type in gold flex. And I want graphics and I'm going to click on see all. And oh, I love that. It almost looks like the shape of Africa or something like that. I'm going to make this a bit wider. And I'm just going to pull it down a little bit. And I'm clicking on position and I am choosing to the back. So you see how I put it behind her? So I love that. I'm going back over to elements. Again, I am going to choose Gold Flex and let's click on see all and see what is available. Yeah, like this, and I'm going to make this a little smaller. I'm going to actually rotate this because I kind of just want it over these little elements right there. And maybe we'll put a few at the top. I know you all are like, what is up with this lady in gold? I don't know, guys. I just really, I just really love these gold flecks. Silver too, but I use more gold. Okay, I'm gonna move her out of the way for a second because I want to make this a little bigger. Pull her back over. I am now going to make the space between the lines. I don't know if I want it bigger or smaller. Maybe we'll keep it like it was. Voila. Now, if you really want to stand out, if you click back on elements, let's get rid of the gold flex and let's type in gold frame. And we're going to see if we can find a gold frame that will fit on top of here and that will really just kind of make it pop. Let's choose this one. Let's see if we can space this out, if it will space out evenly. Okay, now you see this did not space out evenly, but that's okay. Let me show you a little trick. While we have this gold frame here, we're going to get rid of the side, the right side, by cropping a little bit or down to the middle. Let me make sure it fills the entire square. While it's highlighted or selected, I'm going to click on the duplicate button, which is this plus button at the top. So it duplicated it. You see you have two of them. And now I'm going to choose flip horizontal. And now I'm going to move it over. So now we have a frame. However, let me move this back a little bit. I am cropping this down some. And what I'm trying to do, if you notice at the bottom, you see the line or you see the color at the bottom, I am just cropping this over until the color kind of fades in so that they are the same. And let me move this on the page evenly. So if I have it too far to the left, the colors don't blend. So I'm just moving it so that the colors at the top and the bottom blend. This way it looks like it's just one text or one element. See? I love that. Love it, love it, love it. So like I said, this is something that you can either put on your social media pages or you can take it and put it on your Facebook page. It's just something cute. So those of you who like to, put positive energy out there, and I'm sure all of you do because that's what creators do, right? That's what we do. We create love and energy and positivity. We show the world that they don't have to hate. It is time to create. So there you go. Hope you like it. It was just a quick little tutorial for you. So enjoy. Love you all and see you in the next video.